Metro Labs.
Thanks for watching and for your continued support. What makes a laboratory perform efficiently for decades? The answer lies in industrial laboratory furniture life cycle engineering. When we think about laboratory equipment, we usually focus on instruments like HPLC, microscopes, or analytical balances. But there is something equally important that often gets ignored. Laboratory furniture. In a lab environment, even small things matter. A slight vibration can affect measurement results. A chemical spill can damage surfaces. Poor airflow can expose analysts to hazardous fumes. So laboratory furniture is not just furniture. It is scientific infrastructure designed to support accuracy, safety, hygiene, and long-term reliability. This idea is called industrial laboratory furniture life cycle engineering. In simple words, it means designing laboratory workstations that stay stable, safe, and functional for many years of scientific work. That's exactly the approach used in Metro Labs laboratory systems, where furniture is engineered to support the entire life cycle of laboratory operations. Why life cycle engineering matters? When laboratories purchase furniture, many times the decision is based only on initial cost. But the real question is this: how will this furniture perform after 5 years or even 10 years? Life cycle engineering ensures that laboratory furniture maintains structural stability, resists chemical damage, supports heavy scientific instruments, remains hygienic and easy to clean, adapts to future laboratory upgrades. Without proper life cycle planning, laboratories face frequent replacements, safety risks, instrument instability, operational disruptions. Good laboratory infrastructure protects both scientific accuracy and your long-term investment. That's why smart labs prefer durable engineered systems like those developed by Metro Labs, designed for long-term performance. So what exactly is industrial laboratory furniture? It's a complete infrastructure system designed to support laboratory workflows. Let's look at some key components. Laboratory workstations. These are the main work areas where sample preparation and analysis happen. Instrument tables, specially designed platforms for instruments like HPLC, GC microscopes, and analytical balances. Chemical storage cabinets, used to safely store acids, solvents, and reagents. Fume hoods, ducted or ductless, ventilated workstations that remove hazardous vapors during experiments. Anti-vibration tables. These are used for sensitive instruments where even tiny vibrations can affect accuracy. Utility integration systems, high-tech laboratory. Our benches often include built-in electrical outlets, gas connections, and water supply points. In well-planned laboratories, all these components work together as a single integrated system. That's exactly how Metro Labs laboratory furniture solutions are designed, to support both instruments and scientific workflow efficiently. Materials of construction. Another critical factor in laboratory furniture is material selection. The materials used must handle chemicals, heat, moisture, and heavy usage. For example, powder-coated galvanized iron or steel frames provide strong structural support and corrosion resistance. Epoxy resin worktops, highly resistant to chemicals, heat, and impact. Phenolic resin surfaces, durable and moisture resistant. Stainless steel components, ideal for hospital laboratories and sterile environments. Granite tops, often used for vibration-sensitive instruments like analytical balances. By carefully selecting the right materials for each application, Metro Labs laboratory systems deliver durability, safety, and long-term performance. How Metro Labs supports laboratory design. Designing a laboratory is not just about placing tables and cabinets. It requires engineering knowledge, laboratory understanding, and careful planning. Metro Labs supports laboratories through a complete process that includes on-site consultation, laboratory workflow analysis, custom workstation design, modular manufacturing, professional installation. We work with research laboratories, hospitals, educational institutions, and industrial testing facilities. Our goal is simple: to build laboratory environments that remain reliable, safe, and efficient for years.